Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some classic literature trivia. Question: Author of Pride and Prejudice. A. Mary Shelley or B. Emily Dickinson or C. Charlotte Brontë or D. Jane Austen. The correct answer is D. Jane Austen. Question: Novel featuring Moby Dick. A. The Great Gatsby or B. Brave New World or C. To Kill a Mockingbird or D. Moby Dick. The correct answer is D. Moby Dick. Character known for being a miser. A. Scrooge or B. Rich Uncle Pennybags or C. Mr. Krabs or D. Ebenezer Wolf. The correct answer is A. Scrooge. Title of Hemingway's novel about war. A. The Old Man or B. For Whom the Bell Tolls or C. A Farewell to Arms or D. Across the River. The correct answer is C. A Farewell to Arms. Question: Author who wrote 1984. Possible answers: A. Aldous Huxley or B. George Orwell or C. Ray Bradbury or D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. The correct answer is B. George Orwell. What is Tom Sawyer's companion in adventures? A. Jim Hawkins or Pip Pirrip or C. Huckleberry Finn or D. Becky Thatcher. The correct answer is C. Huckleberry Finn. What is the first novel in the Harry Potter series? A. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire or B. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone or C. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets or D. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. The correct answer is B. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. What is the main character of The Bell Jar? A. Esther Greenwood or B. Jane Eyre or C. Sylvia Plath or D. Daisy Buchanan. The correct answer is A. Esther Greenwood. Question: What is the setting of The Great Gatsby? A. Chicago or B. Long Island or C. New York City or D. West Egg. The correct answer is B. Long Island. Author of The Three Musketeers. A. Mark Twain or B. Fyodor Dostoevsky or C. Victor Hugo or D. Alexandre Dumas. The correct answer is D. Alexandre Dumas. Narrator of The Catcher in the Rye. A. Holden Caulfield or B. Phoebe Caulfield or C. Sal Paradise or D. Jay Gatsby. The correct answer is A. Holden Caulfield. Setting of Wuthering Heights. A. Yorkshire Moors or B. Scottish Highlands or C. Lake District or D. English countryside. The correct answer is A. Yorkshire Moors. What type of work is the Divine Comedy? A. Essay or B. Play or C. Poem or D. Novel. The correct answer is C. Poem. What is the central theme in Crime and Punishment? A. Guilt and shame or B. Social justice or C. Existential dread or D. Redemption. The correct answer is D. Redemption. Question: Novel centered on a social experiment? A. The Experiment or B. Brave New World or C. The Giver or D. 1984. The correct answer is B. Brave New World. What is the setting of To Kill a Mockingbird? A. Atlanta, Georgia or B. Monroeville, Alabama or C. 1965 or D. Macomb, Alabama. The correct answer is D. Macomb, Alabama. Question: Author of Madame Bovary. A. Marcel Proust or B. Gustave Flaubert, Honoré de Balzac or D. Victor Hugo. The correct answer is B. Gustave Flaubert. Title of the play featuring Hamlet, A. Hamlet, or B. Othello, or C. King Lear, or D. Macbeth. The correct answer is A. Hamlet. Setting of the picture of Dorian Gray: A. Modern Paris, or B. Ancient Rome, or C. Victorian London, or D. Victorian Glasgow. The correct answer is C. Victorian London. Shakespeare's play about a Scottish king: A. Othello, or B. Macbeth, or C. Julius Caesar, or D. Hamlet. The correct answer is B. Macbeth. Setting for the adventures of Huckleberry Finn: A. New Orleans, or B. Chicago River, or C. Mississippi River, or D. Appalachian Trail. The correct answer is C. Mississippi River. Question: Author of The Metamorphosis: A. Hermann Hesse, or B. Franz Kafka, or C. Albert Camus, or D. Leo Tolstoy. The correct answer is B. Franz Kafka. Character associated with the phrase "Call me Ishmael": A. or B. Captain Hook, or C. Ahab, or D. Ishmael. The correct answer is D. Ishmael. Novelist known for A Tale of Two Cities: A. Charles Dickens, or B. Leo Tolstoy, or C. Ernest Hemingway, or D. Mark Twain. The correct answer is A. Charles Dickens. The protagonist of Catch-22: A. Yossarian, or B. Milo Minderbinder, or C. Major Major, or D. Dr. Nika. The correct answer is A. Yossarian. What is the hero of the novel Great Expectations? A. Estella, or B. Pip, or C. Magwitch, or D. Jaggers. The correct answer is Pip. Question: Author of Jane Eyre: A. Emily Brontë, or Louisa May Alcott, or C. Charlotte Brontë, or D. George Eliot. The correct answer is C. Charlotte Brontë. Question: Author credited with War and Peace: A. Ivan Turgenev, Fyodor Dostoevsky, or C. Anton Chekhov, or D. Leo Tolstoy. The correct answer is D. Leo Tolstoy. Question: Setting of the Canterbury Tales: A. York, or B. Canterbury, or C. Oxford, or D. London. The correct answer is B. Canterbury. Title of a novel about a young orphan: A. Great Expectations, or B. Tom Sawyer, or C. Oliver Twist, or D. David Copperfield. The correct answer is C. Oliver Twist. Question: Character often seen with a pipe and deerstalker: Watson, or B. Sherlock Holmes, or C. Sam Spade, or D. Hercule Poirot. The correct answer is B. Sherlock Holmes. Question: Famous tragic hero of Greek drama. Possible answers: A. Prometheus, or B. Hamlet, or C. Achilles, or D. Oedipus. The correct answer is D. Oedipus. Question: Who is the author behind Fathers and Sons? A. Ivan Turgenev, or B. Fyodor Dostoevsky, or C. Leo Tolstoy, or D. Anton Chekhov. The correct answer is A. Ivan Turgenev. Book featuring a character named Daisy: A. To Kill a Mockingbird, or B. The Great Gatsby, or C. Brave New World, or D. Little Women. The correct answer is B. The Great Gatsby. Famous poem by Edgar Allan Poe: A. Lenore, or B. The Bells, or C. Annabel Lee, or D. The Raven. The correct answer is D. The Raven. What is the main character's name in Jane Eyre? A. Charlotte Brontë, or B. Jane Eyre, or C. Elizabeth Bennet, or D. Lucy Snowe. The correct answer is B, Jane Eyre. Question: author who created Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? Mary Shelley, or B, Robert Louis Stevenson, or C, Charles Dickens, or D, H.G. Wells? The correct answer is B, Robert Louis Stevenson. What is the main theme in The Old Man and the Sea? A, wealth and success, or B, friendship and love, or C, perseverance, or D, futility of life? The correct answer is C, perseverance. What is the setting of The Grapes of Wrath? A, Great Depression, or B, Industrial Revolution, or C, Civil Rights Movement, or D, Dust Bowl? The correct answer is D, Dust Bowl. Question: name of the protagonist in Emma? A, Elizabeth Bennet, or B, Emma Woodhouse, or C, Harriet Smith, or D, Jane Austen? The correct answer is B, Emma Woodhouse. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.